So another ridiculously sunny day here in Melbourne, and I'm down in Preston. And finally, last time I was here I didn't get a chance to, but I'm catching up with my old stunt riding mate, Luke. I've been promising to come and see his workshop for a while, and it's super bright again. This is weird for Melbourne. I don't know what's with this weather, but I'm here at BENZINA Garage, so I'm going to go and find him and let him do all the talking, because Lukey's good at talking and riding motorbikes. Not sure which one more, but you'll find out. Nah, he's a good bloke. Let's go and find him.
Hey! What are you doing?
I'm just coming stalking you. This is finally me catching up with you and having a look at your workshop. Well, after too long.
Let me see, it's been a long time.
We did have breakfast already, and Lukey paid for my breakfast.
I guess you want me to show you around.
Nice guy. Yeah, show me around. What's going on? This is the workshop I've been promising to visit.
This is the new BENZINA Garage. We moved from a couple of hundred metres down the road, which is where we started. It was quite a small workshop. We were due for a much bigger space, more presentable space, and we've got this in this great building. So we've got a nice entry space with a desk, some nice display pieces, which I'm enjoying looking at daily. We didn't really have room for a lot of my things and talking pieces. This trunk is actually the trunk that my grandparents came from Italy in. Yep. They were in it, physically. They had that and 2 t-shirts. It's what they brought all those possessions in. This is our showroom space. Most of the bikes here are either, well, there's one customer's bike and pretty much the rest are mine. 2 customers' bikes. But we've got a limited edition Bayless V2 here, which is very special, 0Ks. 98R1, 88 GSXR. There's an old picture of me from many years ago. And into our workshop.
Yeah, let's be back in a minute.
We usually keep these 3 benches for our customer day in, day out service work. And then mostly over here is, we say project stuff, but it sort of always ends up being my stuff. We've got my old 2011 stunt bike on there, which I started smashing a tank in the other day in the hope that I might actually ride it. I don't know how I'll get there. If we look up, again, we built the mezzanine for display and a place for me to store some of my bikes. I don't have enough room at home for all of them. But we've got some special ones up there. This one's probably one of my faves up there, being a 92 CBR 900 RR with 19,000 Ks on it. It's immaculate, not even a stone chip. So many people try and pry it out of my hands, but that's exactly what it's going to take. What else? One of our newest acquisitions, a 96 ZX7R, extremely iconic for those World Superbike fans. Frankie Keeley special, or is it Anthony Gobert raced one of them too, didn't he?
Yeah. Yep, and Marty Craigle.
So
Craigle was on these, yeah.
Grew up watching these and always wanted it. And then, what do we got? Just a bit of storage. My office, which I'm a little bit proud of my office. We've got, mainly because of my Rossi, my Rossi screen, the NSR 500. And then this is sort of where I spend most of my days these days. I'd like to be spinning spanners a lot more than I do, but unfortunately this doesn't just happen.
Well, give us a quick look upstairs.
Right.
Let's
go for a walk.
This is the token butt shot.
Hello!
Okay, that's Ventura. Yeah. Ooh.
So yeah, they're a little bit dusty, but we'll start with the end. We've got a 94 YZF 750, very clean, missing the standard pipe, but it's a stain tune that looks original. Bought this off a guy in Tassie, Nick. He was a great guy, and basically for that reason I don't really want to sell it. 98 R1, red and white. I'll die with that motorcycle. Immaculate, one owner prior to me. 50th anniversary R1, something like 11,000 Ks on it. 85 GSXR 750, the first of the GSXR 750s, immaculate. I had one many years ago. I sold it to a guy in the UK and I just yearned for it. It was like one of those sales that I always regret. So chasing one for a long time. 96 S-Rad GSXR 750. actually first of the Carby. This has got a date
Oh, sorry,
stamp.
97 was last of the Carby.
Yeah,
Yep.
so this is a date stamp of 95. So it is a very, very, very early build S-Rad. The first S-Rads that came out. Super tidy. 91 ZXR 750. It's the only one up here actually that still needs a bit of restoration.
Or in America, they did call these a ZX7R, didn't they?
Yeah, they did, yeah.
Yeah, weird.
We've got a 97 ZX7R, which is finding a new home soon with a good friend of mine. And then this is that blade that I spoke about. Whoa,
On your head.
cop that.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is, I know this is probably one of your faves in this.
Well, I've never seen this thing in the flesh,
Building.
so it's cool. And there's a lot of people that don't know that some of them, depending on what country, had a black one of them, and some had a white one.
Correct.
So,
Well,
yeah.
it actually took me a little bit of researching because it's the only thing that I picked on it immediately, obviously aside from the mirrors and the cut fender, which I have, sorry, not mirrors, indicators, and the cut fender, which I've got, so I'll be replacing them, but that was the only other thing I picked that I wasn't sure, and with a bit of research, that's exactly what I found out.
Have you ridden it?
No.
No.
Actually, I've pretty much ridden nothing up here. They all start run and are able to be ridden. I put them all up here with a full tank of fuel and I run them up every few weeks, but I don't necessarily yearn to ride them. I just like looking at them.
It doesn't have bad posture, it's just a low roof.
It's terrible.
Yeah.
Try and stand over here so you can actually stand up straight.
Nice.
Yeah, and we got our parts area. Well, this is mostly like parts that belong to, you know, bikes up here and parts for, you know, hard to find parts.
Nice.
Got to put them somewhere. Got to keep them off the floor.
So what's that on the floor there, mate, where you're standing?
Well, that's our Christmas party. That's the remnants of our Christmas party. It's a bit of a tight skid. But now we use it for photos because it's great when you're standing in the middle of it.
Yeah, nice. So who are we looking at here? Who are these guys?
Oh, this is Lester, the jester. He's employee of the month. You probably would have noticed the long he travels. We've got him a zip-free Benzina jumper as requested.
Oh yeah, no scratches?
He
Yeah.
can't wear zips, he can't wear zips.
Yep.
This is Ant. So I've worked with Ant for, well, you know, sporadically on and off for 20 odd years. Can't get rid of him. But no, this is the dream team here, man.
Nice.
We're all a family.
And you do have a third bench here, which you're hoping to fill as well.
We are. We're looking for a new mechanic. So if anyone's out there looking to work in a passion-driven, motorcycle mad workshop, give me a call.
Have I had a moustache like that?
When it's not there, it's always there.
Show us again, go again. Right, there you have it. Big thanks to this guy here. That guy. The dude with the moustache. And I came and I got the t-shirt. So the full experience. And also, yeah, that is a very, very nice 916. So yeah, check out Lukey on Instagram, Facebook, all that. I'll put all the details below. He's got a massive following on Facebook. So yeah, and he's still stunt riding. I probably am not, but I would like to have another go again one day, just without hurting myself. So yeah, big thanks Lukey. Very cool shop. Can't wait to come back.
the things you see.
I've just had the police arrive. I'm just